When you're checking email on the go, you should be able to see who's read your messages just like on desktop. That's why we've developed Mailtrack for your mobile device. Mailtrack is compatible with iOS and Android, and is the only email tracking system that integrates with Gmail's official mobile app. Before you can start using Mailtrack on your phone, you just need to complete a simple setup. Fortunately, this can be done from either your mobile or desktop computer. Here's exactly what you need to do. First, visit our Mailtrack for iOS and Android page in the G Suite Marketplace. If you don't know what this is, you'll find a link to it in the description of this video. Second, click Install and follow the instructions. Once you're done, you'll have to close the Gmail mobile app entirely and open it again. If you're not sure how to do this, it might be easier to switch your phone off and on again. Next time you open your Gmail app, Mailtrack will be installed and integrated. Now you're ready to track emails from your mobile device. Now that you have Mailtrack on your mobile Gmail app, tracking messages couldn't be easier. Just compose a new email or send a reply as you would do normally. Open the three vertical dots menu, select Insert from Mailtrack, and choose Track Email. And you're done. Compose and send your email, and Mailtrack will notify you as soon as it's opened. Now that you know how to send tracked messages from your smartphone, you'll want to know when your emails are opened. Don't worry, it's super easy. If you use Mailtrack, you don't have to be on your desktop computer to know if your emails have been opened or not. Mailtrack has made it incredibly easy for you to view on your smartphone if someone has read your messages. On your Gmail mobile app, just open any email conversation previously sent with Mailtrack. Tracked emails that haven't been opened will be tagged with 1 checkmark, while messages that have been opened will be tagged with 2 checkmarks. You can see more details like when and how many times your emails have been opened if you've installed Mailtrack's smartphone add-on. With the add-on, you can scroll down to the bottom of the message to access this information. You'll see the same data as on your desktop computer. If you haven't installed Mailtrack on your computer yet, you must do this before enabling it on your smartphone. Just visit mailtrack.io from your computer and follow the instructions.